You guys, maybe I was just stubborn, I don't know, but I'm gonna be roasting my own looks from back in the day. No, just from 2019, because I can't go back in the day. This was just last year, and this very first look is my most cringe worthy look. Every time I look, I'm like, ah, your brows look like crap, bro. Oh my gosh. So this is the one. I just, oh my lord, I just hate how my brows look. What is it gonna focus? Lord have mercy, Jesus. It's not even trying to focus, honey. So hopefully, I'm editing, I can put the picture in the video, but this one is definitely my most cringe worthy look. I just don't like how the brows are looking, because no, I'm going with like the natural, how my brows are naturally. I love how my brows are. I did not know that. I thought my brows were way more mischievous than I thought they were. Apparently they're a little bit more compliant. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I like where my brows are, and I love how long I made it. I just like how I do my brows. No, and I do have a video on how I do my brows. No, like my 2020 brows, I have a video on that. But yeah, it's just something about where they're placed, what I use to do them. I just don't like, and they just look really thick and untidy. I don't like how my brows look at all. Another one, and gosh, oh lord, it's this one. Hopefully I can just put the pictures in that. It's this one. I just don't like how thick my brows are. I don't like how thick they are at all, and they're just really thick. They look as if they're overpowering my face, and that is crazy, because when I was doing my makeup, I clearly loved it. I clearly left out of my house like that, and I was thinking, yes girl, get it. Oh my god, this other one, it's like it's just too, it's and then I'm looking at the makeup and I'm just like, it's not the makeup, it's just the brows. It's the brows, man. It's the brow. It's just too straight out. It doesn't look real. It doesn't look real, and I don't like it. And this one, I literally have gray brows. My brows are literally gray, and when I was doing, I mean, the makeup is gorgeous. I love how it looks in its entirety, but just the brows, man. And you can tell where my piece of hair stops. Guys, remember when remember, this is just like a month ago, I would shave off the ends of my brows and then draw my brows up into my hairline. That's crazy. Even this one, no, this one is fine. This one is fine. This was date night, and did a whole date night get ready with me, and a part of my shirt is darker, and I told you guys, you know, what happened. So this is fine. This is, I think the overall look is taken away from the brows. That's fine. Let me see which other one. Yeah, this one. This one was just too arched. It's too arched, and this look was colorful too. Not was is colorful, because it's the Juvia's Place palette and stuff, that yellow with that green. Oh honey, yes. But it's just too arch, bro. Oh my god. So I'm just scrolling through my Instagram. That shit, man. I mean, the hair looks nice. My lips look absolutely gorgeous. I just had Jaleel, and I was, oh my god, my brows are gray. My brows are gray. I don't like, these were too angular, but I feel like the lashes help to make it, you know, a little bit balanced, because those lashes are like some big lashes, so I felt like it balanced it. But just looking back, man, it's just hella arched, bro. Wow, it's just hella arched. So I'm scrolling through. I don't know what I was thinking, man. These though, these brows are gorgeous. Gorgeous, man. Gorgeous. I was pregnant with Jaleel and I was doing like a baby haul, and I took that photo, and it's beautiful. I like how it's arched. I like the beginning of the brow to the tail of the brow. I like how it's, you know, it's nicely tapered. I love that brow, bruh. Love that brow, bruh. Alright, oof. All these brows are gorgeous. So I guess it's just those. And I think I think it's the product that I used, it was too gray on me. Why it just upset me so much. But I just, oh my god. I look like I done had a facelift. I was reviewing Ali Pearl hair, and you know, and the cute ass purple top, which is by the way a bralette. It's actually I'm trying to sit up, but I have to be hunched over looking at the pictures. But anyway, it's actually a bralette. But how high do my brows have to be? How high, honey? It's so arched. It's, wow, it's crazy. This was just last year. I have not had an epiphany or nothing, or again with the, oh, it's the same picture. These brows are too high, man. And I think on this day I was like, ah, these brows are high. Oh, don't have the time, just gonna have to roll with the punches there. I really think so. This is absolutely ridiculous, man. It is. It's crazy. Oh my god. Those are some high ass brows, bruh. Okay, so I'm scrolling through. I'm not having any issues. I'm actually loving how my brows are looking. I'm wondering what should go back to shaving them off. I just feel like they were too high, and I like where these are, you know. I mean, because I've been doing my brows so arched for years, I've grown accustomed to that lift, you know, that it gives me. I've grown accustomed to it, unfortunately. So when I look at myself now, sometimes I think, oh my god, my face is so scrunched. It's so scrunched. I don't know how to fix it. And it's my brows. It really is my brows. But yeah, I mean, that's where my brows are. That's what it is. So yeah, I'm just scrolling, looking. I don't see any more issues. Yo, I had some bad makeup looks, bruh. Ooh, Kyra, you look gorgeous. Yeah, I had some amazing, even that skull. That was good. Yeah, so that's, I'm done. But yeah, that's crazy. My brows, oh my gosh, that's so crazy. I know, no, with my technique, of course I do have a lift, but it's not a dramatic lift. It's not up to my hairline, you know. It's just a nice little lift. And I don't know what I was thinking for so many years. Wow, that's crazy to me. That is absolutely crazy to me. But anyway, I'm done. This video has gone long enough. It's another fun, exciting video. I'm still talking soft because Jaleel is sleeping. Yeah, so Jaleel is sleeping. I'm sorry I sound a little bit softer or whatever, but Jaleel is sleeping and I really don't want to wake him. Not now. Mama has one more video to film, so I need to just get this up and out. But yeah, I do have a tutorial on this look. I just changed the lips. Everything is Yardie Cosmetics except the glow. The glow is from Gabriella's Cosmetics. I'm wearing pimento. Yeah, pimento on the lips, eye palette on the eyes. Yeah. So this is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.